Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create consistent characters in Midjourney step by step in 2026. This is one of the most requested topics because many beginners can generate beautiful images, but the character keeps changing every time. By the end of this video you will know how to lock a character's face and style, how to reuse the same character in different poses, how to avoid most common mistakes, and how creators do this properly in 2026. So let's start from the basics. I want to just clarify something. I can't have access to send messages in this channel, so I won't be able to demonstrate with examples here. So you have to go I have to go off the cuff, and you have to just follow me afterwards, right? And do it by yourself if you have access to Midjourney. Now, consistency doesn't mean the image looks identical every time. Consistency does mean same face, same hairstyle, same vibe, same character identity. Midjourney does not remember characters automatically. You must teach it who your character is, right? Start with one simple prompt. For example, here I type something: a cinematic portrait of a 25-year-old woman, soft natural lighting, realistic skin texture, brown eyes, long black hair, neutral expression, photorealistic style, right? Do not add action, poses, or complex scenes. We want a clean character reference first, right? Now, what you gotta do, generate images until you see, yes, this is my character, right? Now, this is where most beginners fail. Choose one image only, and it should be the clearest face, straight angle if possible, okay? Do not mix multiple faces yet, okay? And upscale that image. This image becomes your character anchor. Now, use the character reference method. This is the core technique, right? In Midjourney 2026, the consistency is controlled basically using reference images. Copy the image link of your chosen character. Now, when writing a new prompt, paste the image link first, then write your prompt. This tells Midjourney, use this person. This is the single most important step, right? And keep the character description identical. After the image link, always repeat the same description. Same woman, brown eyes, long black hair, realistic facial proportions, cinematic lighting. Do not rewrite the description every time. Consistency comes from same image reference and same wording. Changing words equals changing face, okay? Next, Midjourney allows you to prioritize the reference image. You can add image weight like this. Right? Let me show it to you. IW1. Okay. If the character changes too much, increase it slightly. If the image becomes too stiff, lower it slightly. Small adjustments matter here. Okay. Now, changing poses without changing the face. Let's do what most people want. For example, right? You tell Midjourney, same character, walking in a city street, casual outfit, cinematic photography. Because you need the image reference, the same description. Midjourney keeps face identity and only changes pose, outfit, background. This is how creators make comics, story characters, AI influencers. Now, the lighting and style consistency. This is advanced beginner tip. If lighting changes too much, the character feels different. Pick one lighting style. Soft daylight, studio lighting, cinematic lighting, and reuse it every time. Style consistency matters as much as facial consistency. Now, what not to do, which is very important. Do not use the different reference images every time. Change ethnicity, age, or face structure words. Add too many style keywords, okay? Or mix realism and anime randomly. Don't do that. These cause character drift here, right? Now, creating multiple expression, for example, safely. You can change expression softly, right? And carefully here. You can, for example, say same character, subtle smile, same character, serious expression, right? Avoid extreme emotions early. Once you're confident, you can push a little further, right? Now, saving a character prompt. Smart creator habit. Save or create a character master prompt. Save the image link, the description, the lighting style. Use it every time. This saves hours and prevents mistakes. Okay? Now, this method works for storytelling, YouTube thumbnails, short, comics, brand mascots, AI influencers. Professional creators always use one base character plus reference system. Now, why beginners fail at character consistency? Main reasons: no base character, no reference image, change in prompt wording, or overloading style. Consistency comes from discipline, not luck. So, creating consistent characters in Midjourney in 2026 is 100% possible, beginner friendly, a skill, not a trick. If you master this, your AI content looks professional, your characters feel real, your project scale faster. Start slow, lock one character, then expand. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment below what video you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.